Right, well, good morning or afternoon, people. This is the CEO and founder of British Webs. Today is obviously the actual day after we've managed to finish the theme for the wedding photography website. Obviously, this website theme is all pre-made. It's designed to give wedding photographers a new idea when it comes to starting a photography business, especially specialising in weddings. Also, we made this theme to be more like just like relaxed in a certain way, so then customers just don't feel like completely rushed. They've got like some sort of ideas there. So like the whole idea what came was also we want to have some sort of like hero cover, and also we want to get their free packages selection, also add as you want. Obviously, like these buttons were like clickable. Also, like when you just like actually start the actual platform, you can send these to anything you want, and you've got the what deals and offers you might want to use in particular. And if you go to the About Us page, obviously this is designed for like what's your business about, what you do, and also then give your clients an idea why they should choose your competitors, like what makes your business or like unique as a selling point. Also for services, same again. Also the whole idea about this section is that we made like free service like categories. Obviously you can use 1, 2, 3, 4, or as many as you want. Obviously, you have to use a site called Unsplash to obviously about the previous images, to use on these for testimonials. Also, these are fake, but obviously, some again, with our brand done, but you can replace them with any legit customers that I've had in the past, or if you know anyone who that recently said, well, can you like to make a testimonial or some sort of review? You can put like their own like company, or even the photograph of them, their name or the company name, and also what kind of text, like what they've said, and also what rating they give you, which also we hope you're going to get a 5 stars. Obviously with the gallery, so how the gallery works is that compared to like most like drag and drop tools, obviously our gallery focuses on more of a different approach. Like if we click on like weddings, it will just take weddings on, but obviously if you were to select something that was different, that's not like wedding related, what it'll do is that it'll just show those photos under when like that category, or would just basically display all of them. Obviously, some of these were for Unsplash link website, which we will put like a link below this video. Also, you got the info page, like just giving people what the actual image is, which also helps with SEO as well. And then you've got the contact us page. Obviously, you can make these, especially like also at the bottom, can you easily remove this, also these things can be very clickable, if you want to, which also it's handy for people on a mobile device. If you've got a studio where customers can visit, then enter your address there, which is very simple. But yeah, also this theme is basically called, I think we call it the Wedding Themes 100. Obviously, this theme, it took us about, I think it took us about 2 days to make this theme. Also it would take a lot longer if we had to find some sort of like stock image photos that we could actually like use for free, for commercial use, obviously, just to get this thing made. But also like, if any photographers like, are out there who wouldn't specialize in wedding photography, so they want like a quick thing they could just like replace their own photographs. Obviously, this thing is like for like the beginners who will actually want to want like a quick replace of the photographs with their own images, their own text, their own headlines, whatever they want, and that's it really, people. Also, you got any comments and suggestions, how much we charge, in terms of like, do we offer a free trial? Yes, we do. It's a 14-day free trial. You can cancel anytime you want. Obviously, if there's a thing that you can't see, or there's a thing that you would want to suggest to us, then just hit us down in the comments below, or contact us through social media or any more, even phone number. Obviously, we will be providing an affiliate program marketing, which obviously it will soon get launched as our actual platform gets launched in 2021, which is next year. But yeah, that's the people. If you've got, like I say, if you've got any questions, let us know in the below.